Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the DJI Mic Mini. If you're not familiar with what this is, it's essentially a smaller version of the DJI Mic 2 that I purchased and received as a part of the Pocket 3 Creator Bundle. But essentially what's so dope about this is if you were to get the professional kit with the two receivers or two transmitters and so essentially the two mics and the one receiver that you hook up to your camera, that would cost you about $379. Whereas with this right here, the mini combo that you get a receiver as well as the two mics and a case that you can charge the mics with as well, you get that for almost half the price at $168. So with that being said, let's go ahead and see what all comes in the box. All right. Sweet. Okay. Yep. So if I slide this out, it's a nice case that seems like it's holding everything together. And then here I get DJI sticker and then the startup guide. So I'll set that over to the side. Okay, all right, so here goes the bag. I unzip. All right, so here goes a pair of windscreens, two sets of windscreens it looks like, two black and then two gray, depending on how windy it is. You can use the gray ones with the more thickness as opposed to the black ones. I'll move this over to the side. And let's see, what else do we get? All right, inside we get the charging cable. There we go. And then we get the USB-C to USB port to charge the case. And lastly, I can take out the case itself. So here we go. This is pretty sleek. For reference, this is the size of the old DJI Mic 1 case, and it's pretty much the same size, a little bit smaller in terms of width. But overall, it's about the same size. But what's pretty cool about this that I've seen is the fact that you can actually pack all of the accessories in this case with the mic. So I'll go ahead and press this to open this up. I'll move this out of the way and sick. So this is everything that comes in the box. Oh, pretty nice. You just click the button and that opens the top. This is the transceiver or receiver actually that you would place on your camera if you wanted to hook up this and get that audio, the wireless audio for your camera. In the box, it comes with just the USB-C attachment. So if you wanted to hook up the transceiver to something like a phone, you have that, but they don't include the one for the iPhone. You'd have to purchase that separately for about $30. But wow, this is how small this is. Wow. In comparison to what I have on my shirt now, this is extremely small. And I'm not sure if you can really, if I'm doing it justice, but wow. The Mic 1 and the Mic 2 are pretty much the same size. So I'll show you in comparison up close what the size difference is like for these two. Pretty freaking solid in size, yeah. So nice, really lightweight. I'm actually not familiar with all of the specs of this device just yet. It says with the case, you should be able to get about 48 hours of operational use. I'm guessing that means this can charge the mics up to about twice, which means they would be able to last about 11 to 12 hours themselves, but I'm not entirely sure. But for the most part, this is a look of everything that comes in the box. I will have some more videos coming up regarding using this equipment and if I actually plan to keep this as a part of my studio setup. Well, folks, hope you found this unboxing helpful. If you did, be sure to smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel to stay tuned for future videos. As always, thanks for viewing, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.